Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the video for this day's hard case filler number 1. We're looking for top spot, gets a spot in the main. We are live. 557, 557. Got the list here, 5 entries. Matthew on the top, Matthew on the bottom. We need 2 dice. 5 or higher. We got 9 times. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8 times, you got Kirsten on the top. We must go 9. Good luck at 557. 557. Last and final roll. Top spot gets us our advances to the main. Congratulations goes to spot 4, Kirsten. Congratulations, Kirsten. Go ahead and pick your spot in the main. We are done at 557. 557. Congratulations again, Kirsten. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.